Good morning, TL Travelers, and welcome back to the TL Travel YouTube channel. If I seem more alert this morning than usual, it is because I am trying really, really hard. I slept not at all last night. No, that's a lie. I slept for approximately 45 minutes. Typically, I do not book travel while I am traveling extensively like this and doing all of my research and things like that. I will pre-book travel for other people to travel while I'm traveling. That's totally fine, but I don't usually like deal with bookings or handle bookings while I'm away, just, you know, because of the time difference. But I did have one booking that was left outstanding when I departed due to unforeseen circumstances, which is totally fine. But everything that needed to fall into place in order to make this package happen for these excited travelers happened at like 3:25 a.m. last night. So I'm like full of super tiredness and full of also excitedness. I don't even know why I bothered talking. Breakfast is here. I'm gonna go grab some breakfast and then I will fill you in on what's happening for the rest of the day. Everything looks so freaking delicious. We've got eggs Benny over here, French toast, got some tea, lime juice, fruit salad, latte, and a lemon iced tea. So in the villa that we're staying at here, you can actually get breakfast delivered to your villa or you can eat it in the restaurant. Because we were checking out today and we have a travel day ahead, we decided that we would have it brought to us in our villa. And I had ordered an eggs benedict with salmon and spinach, but I received 2 eggs Benny, one with salmon and one with spinach. So that is just one example of just like ordering food life in Bali or Southeast Asia in general. You kind of get what you get. They do their very best, especially over the phone. It's difficult to communicate without all of the hand gestures. So for those of you who ridicule me for talking with my hands, it's all my time in Southeast Asia that's got me all, you know. So now I'm all wired up because I've had my latte with extra sugar, and we are grabbing our bags, checking out, meeting our driver, and heading to Seminyak in the south where we're going to be meeting my parents. On the way though, we are making a stop, and it is a surprise, but it might be in the title of this video. Either way, it's going to be beautiful. So if you love travel content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. We post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday, and we're just getting our adventure started down here. We've got months of epic content coming from Bali, Thailand, and a secret destination that I'll reveal soon, I promise. So yeah, let's just go. Oh, thank you. Looking good, babe. Okay, so we have arrived at our secret stop. We decided to make a stop at Pura Lempuyang temple on the way to Seminyak because it was very close to where we were staying. This is definitely one of those spots that you like see on Instagram all the time, so we really just wanted to come and check out and see if it's worth it. Holy cow. But the walk is steep. Entrance to the temples is by donation, and then once you're inside like the compound, it takes 2 hours approximately to go all the way and see all of the temples, and then approximately another 2 hours coming back down. We are only doing the first temple today because we are in transit, we have a drive to do, and also I didn't sleep and I'm exhausted. I think we're both exhausted, but we're gonna check it out for you guys now.
Years later. So, was it worth it, you ask? Yes, we are in our
new hotel now. We have made it to Seminyak. I wasn't gonna like vlog the drive because it was just regular drive, and also I wasn't feeling great and I just tried to nap it off. The stop at the temple was, I don't know. The thing about it is that its location is farther from most hotels. Like, so for us, where we were in the northeast, it was actually kind of on the way to make the stop. We only had to go about 30 minutes out of the way, versus most people have to really make a drive there. There are like 7 different temple areas that you can do about 4-hour round trip hike to see them all. However, the one that everybody goes for and like the Instagram shot that everyone is looking for is just like 5 minutes from the parking lot. So a lot of people do make the drive just to get the photo, and when you get there, you have to wait in line for what felt like forever. It felt like the slowest moving line ever. I think we were in line for maybe 45 minutes in the dead heat waiting to take a picture. And when you get up there, they give you 3 poses basically. So it's like all laid out. They give you 3 different chances to get the shot that you want. And then if like, so for example, for Derek and I did 3 and then Derek did 3. And then they usher you along, which is a process that makes sense just to like keep things moving. But at the same time, it sort of takes away from like the allure of it all. And then you also kind of like lose the ability to take it all in, like take a moment and take it all in. The other thing about it is that weather can affect it so much. So again, if you're making that drive specifically for the shot, not only do you have to know that you are going to get there, wait in line, and get it in 3 shots and go, but you also need the weather to be cooperating, because in order to see the volcano in the background, you need the clouds to be clear. And if it's just dark and gray and stormy, then you don't get anything. And if it's super bright and sunny, then it's super blown out and you don't really get the shot that you want. And I know that I'm making this all about the Instagram photo, but that just happens to be what most people want to go for, so that's why I'm addressing it. And we personally just didn't have time to do any of the hiking today, so we can't really reflect on that. What I will say though is that if you are into like the adventure hiking side of things, and that's predominantly why you're going, and then the photo is just more of like an afterthought, that's more along the type of person that I would recommend actually making the drive to do it. Because that way, if you don't get the shot that you want, or the line's really long and you don't want to wait in it, you don't have to like feel like you drove all that way and paid all that money for nothing. But we are in Seminyak now, looking just like a hot mess. My parents arrived super late tonight and we are going to meet them. And you guys know already from this morning that I did not sleep really at all, and I need a shower and I need a nap and I need some food and all those things. So I'm gonna let you guys go here for now. I hope that you guys got some good valuable information out of this video, and if you're thinking about heading up to the northeast, that this really helped you out. If it did, give it a like, give it a good old thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button, because we post new travel content every Thursday and Sunday. And as much as we plan on just like chilling and taking it easy in Seminyak, we have a ton of awesome content coming your way and a super beautiful, stunning, luxurious surprise for you in Uluwatu. So subscribe, stick around, and until next time, stay great, travel safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!